I think, as you said, it was a bittersweet thing at the end of the tournament. This is the first time we've seen after winning a tournament that some team has not received a trophy going back home. But it's okay. As I said earlier yesterday in the press conference as well, all the trophies, the real trophies, are the people who are in the dressing room, the 14 players and the support staff. So all those they have played a big role. So those are the real trophies which I have won during the course of the tournament and hopefully going forward in the near future as well. Even our honorable PM sir is also playing cricket on front foot. It's good to see, and if a strong leader like this is standing beside us, then we just have to go out, play a game with a cool mind and just be relaxed and happy. And at the same time, it came in my mind suddenly that this little bit every Indian can do to help our armed forces, victims of Pahalgam attack. So I just thought of it and did it by surprise.